Welcome to Auto Excel. Today, we're giving you a complete overview of the Airbus H125 helicopter in the United Kingdom. The Airbus H125 is a single-engine light utility helicopter, part of Airbus's famous Écureuil or Squirrel family, which also includes the AS350 and AS355 series. Previously known as the AS350B3E, the H125 now comes with the powerful Safran Ariel 2D engine. This helicopter is trusted worldwide for multiple roles: utility and aerial work, lifting, sling load operations, passenger transport and tourism, police and law enforcement, search and rescue operations. Key technical specifications for the H125 Safran Ariel 2D engine: MTOW dual hydraulics, 2,370 kilograms or 5,225 pounds. MTOW with external load, 2,800 kilograms. Useful load, approximately 1,075 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 425 kilograms. Fast cruise speed, 252 kilometers per hour or 136 knots. Range, approximately 630 kilometers or 340 knots. Endurance, 4 hours, 27 minutes. Hover ceiling OGE, approximately 3,871 meters or 12,700 feet. Hover ceiling IGE, approximately 4,420 meters or 14,500 feet. Max altitude, approximately 7,010 meters or 23,000 feet. Rotor diameter, 10.69 meters or 35.07 feet. Cabin volume, 3.0 meters cubed